I've been seeing tinga recipes all over social media, and it just seems like there's so many ingredients that go into it. So when I was sent these tinga bombs, I was like, yes, this is so fantastic. Literally all you need to do is add one of these bombs and your meat and some onions, and that is it. I think this is so cool. On the back, it tells you different ways that you can prepare this. So I'm actually going to be using a slow cooker, but they also have like Instant Pot. They have the stove top. Whatever you're going to do, they're showing you how you can prepare this like super easy. So this is a 2-pack. I'm excited to like check it out. I clearly haven't even opened it yet. Let's go ahead. Look at this. Hold on, let me get this out for you. Look at this. This is literally just a beautiful round ball of spices. So tinga, from what I understand, is kind of like it's got like that chipotle spicy thingness going on there. So yeah, we are literally just going to be adding this on the bottom of our slow cooker. And then I'm going to be adding my meat and onions, which I'll do in a second. But I do also want to say they also have so many other different bombs. They have like all kinds of spices. They have like a rosemary garlic one. So many different options just to make your life so much easier. So this right here, I'm just going to go ahead and throw the chicken right on top. I'm going to do this. Oh, this is still a little bit frozen. Hopefully that's not going to be an issue. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to do the onions. I think it said to throw like about like 3 pounds or something. I don't know exactly how much, but I'm just going to throw a bunch of this. And then obviously in the slow cooker, this is going to be fantastic. And then we're just going to shred it up. Going to go ahead and grab our onions here, throw that on top. So depending on which like bomb you use, I read sometimes you need to like add water, but this one you do not. And this one said like I think 2 hours on high or 6 hours on low. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on high for 2 hours. We're going to come back. We're going to check it out. We're going to do a taste test. I cannot wait. All right, so it has been in the crock pot for a couple hours. I have not even opened the lid yet. So let's just go ahead and see what it looks like. I can see it's bubbling. It smells delicious. I can tell you that. Ho, 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 ho. Look at that. Look at that coloring. Looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to give this a little bit of a mix here. Obviously, this, of course, I'm going to shred and put it back in here. But of course, because it's in the crock pot, oh, here's that ball. Look at all, there's still so much seasoning left in that. So I think giving it a good mix, shredding it up a little bit, and then just letting that chicken sit in there for a bit is going to be the key to this being absolutely delicious. And we're going to be back in a little bit for a taste test. All right, we're just taking it out. First taste test. Ooh, spicy. That is good. So good. Look at this. Look at this deliciousness. Threw it in there. All the spices all combined, one little ball. I did not have to buy like a million different spices. It's already there together. Took a couple hours to make. Slow cooker did all the work. This stuff is literally the bomb.